Every day's a holiday at the Irish Roots Cafe, and there's always room for one more. Our song today is going to be The Girl I Left Behind Me, which is a cowboy song, a western song, but they say it comes from the tune that was put to on Spailpin Fanach, or The Wandering Laborer, which was Irish, and I'll let you be the judge of that. But here's The Girl I Left Behind Me. I struck the trail in '79, the herd strung out behind me. As I jogged along, my mind went back to the gal I left behind me. If I ever get off the trail, boys, and the Injuns, they don't find me, I'll make my way straight back again to the gal I left behind me. Oh, that gal, that pretty little gal, the gal I left behind me. Well, I'll weep and I'll cry till the day I die for the gal I left behind me. Ah, the wind did blow and the rain did flow and the hail did fall and blind me. And I thought of the gal, that sweet little gal, the gal I left behind me. Well, she rode ahead to the place I said, and I was glad to find it. She says, I am true, when you get through, ride back and you will find me. When we sold out, I took the train, I knew that I would find her. When I got back, we had a smack, and I'm no gol darn liar. That's it for today, folks. Thank you very much.